Okay. Today I want to share about my first week progress for FYP2. First is about my timeline for semester January 2021 for my final year project 2. First week is component survey for uh, week 2 and 3 is component preparation. Week 4 is circuit assembly. Week 5 is circuit troubleshooting. Week 6 to 9 is circuit troubleshooting and report preparation. Week 10 to 12 is presentation preparation, report submission. Next is how to achieve my timeline. To achieve the timeline is by maintaining the progress on finishing the product without wasting any time. After that, my self-motivate also give a massive impact during project completing process. Next, to manage the time properly. Then third one is based on the calendar, the due date is around Ramadan and Hari Raya season. So during that season must be a lot of program that can be start the plan and time. So all the tasks and project must be finished before May 2021. So I can celebrate my Hari Raya. Therefore, the timetable must be arranged properly to make sure the work is in done on time. So I have to a list for my component to purchase. Purchase is 3. First one is temperature sensor. Then ESP32 node MCU. But then the GPS tracking sensor for track the position of person. Okay, 4 is the date to purchase the component and from which company. So the date of purchase of all the main component and sensor is on the Chinese New Year offer that is on 2 February 2021. So these 3 that have been listed is the most important component that need to be tested before reach the process of circuit assembly. So here is all the list price that stay on Shopee application that platform before the Chinese New Year event. So the price is expected to be lower than the price that have been listed below. So during this pandemic, so we need to buy the component online to make sure because we cannot go out to buy component. So this is the comparison of the shop that I have surveyed at the Shopee. So I decided to buy on Chinese New Year to make sure I can get the lower price than expected price before the Chinese New Year. So I can get, maybe I can get free shipping. So next is complete of survey analysis. This is the result of my survey analysis that I have done during last semester at my final year project 1. So this is the result. So the data that has been collected from the survey. Question is the common disease that have been faced by the pilgrims. So in this data show that majority of the pilgrims are diagnosed to cough and followed by fever and running nose. So we also have the data that show that loss during performing Haji and Umrah are highly possible happen during Haji and Umrah season. So this data is for me to collect the data why we need to use application of GPS tracker sensor on the wearable device. So next is from the data that's been collected of this question, many respondents not have any problem to wear the wearable device. So So this is all the result that I collect from my survey. Okay, that's all for my first week progress FYP reports. Thank you. Stay tuned for my next progress.